Hi, I'm Xylia. I will introduce MyLike LED 4 Zones Dual Color Wall-Mounted Remote Control today. Battery-powered and AC-powered models are optional. Available in black and white. Enables users to recall the lighting state promptly. Match the controllers to zone key 1, 2, 3, 4 of their remote respectively. Turn on thoughts in zone 1, 2, 3, 4 successively. Change the color temperature of all zones synchronously. Select zone 1 and reduce the brightness independently. Change the color temperature. Select zone 2 and 4, reduce the brightness. Change the color temperature. Select all the zones. Reduce the brightness of all zones synchronously. Change the color temperature to cold white. Press and hold the scene key for 2s to save current state. Increase the brightness of zone 1 and 3 to max. Change the color temperature to warm white. Short press the scene key to recall the scene. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates.